So I'll be breaking down these worship songs baseline for you guys, okay? So if you're interested, kindly watch the video to the end because I'll be doing a full session of worship lesson on this channel, okay? So I'll be breaking it into lessons, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, okay? So this is the first lesson. If you don't want to miss any of the lesson, kindly subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the worship lesson I will be uploading, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So guys, before we start the lesson, if in case the worship song I am to play didn't start, click on this link to go watch out the worship song groove and come back and watch the video so that you get good understanding of what I'm to teach you, okay? The song was played on key G, okay, your G major, okay? And it's a simple Ghanaian worship song, okay? So if you are not a Ghanaian or you're other part of the country and you want to learn the bass line, you can learn it and apply it to your song out there, okay? So it goes like this. The progression are Osa Berima Adeoa Utumisu Dun, 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 dun. So do fa mi la re, okay, so do. So this is how I played the groove, so simple. Osa berima. So now we're going to my mi. So osa berima, okay, a passing note to the mi. Osa berima. Okay, now to my fa, do fa, okay, do re mi, do fa. Now back to my mi. So now I'll be going to my la, do ti la. Okay, so osa berima a e ho la. Okay, so now I'll be going to the re. Da, 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 da. Okay, the re, fa, so do. Okay, so you see how the first part is very easy. So the second one goes like this: Osa be do re mi do fa re fa mi. You see this is another new way you can play from fa to mi. So re fa mi. Okay, then I also did. Okay, so I slide to my so do ti la di re. Okay, mi fa la so do. Okay, osa berima a e a da 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 Okay, but before we continue, you said that the second Osa Berima, I did a very cool, what can I call it? Is it? I did something like this. Let me call it a passing note. I just don't know what I'll call that, but it's very simple. It's on your do. Okay. Instead of you playing so do. Osa, you understand? It's very boring. So to me soon. You re, fa so do. Okay, you see how it's cool. So it goes so la do re di do. If you're a beginner, this D will be new to you. Okay, it's the it is the note in front of the do. So do di re. Okay, so as time goes on in this worship lesson, you'll be seeing, you'll be learning new keys, new notes in the major scale. Okay, so so la do re di do. Okay, so la re di do. So the do re di do is the same here at the lower bass. Re di do. Okay, so la do re di do. So la so re di do. Yes, so la so re di do. Okay, before you continue with the okay, you understand. Okay, so the sweetest part is what I'm about to teach you. Is it goes like this. Yeah, Becca. Okay, so if you listen to the video I played a little cool stuff to make it to another level. Okay, so I did something like this, but you need to understand the progression. Da, da, do, do, la. Okay, remember that if you play an open string on your fourth string, it gives you the la. Okay, so as you can see, I'm playing it and it's giving me the la. You see, so yeah, okay, so this is what I played. So let me break it down for you. Okay, so if you heard what I did with the sliding, I did that, but maybe in the video it came so silently, but I did that so that I don't want to play dun, dun, you understand? So I did da, da. Okay, so your roots and your octave. So I did something like this. Do, do. Okay, so I'll teach you the slide. So when you play do, do, then you play your fourth string, open string, to give you the la. So that is where you apply this sliding thing, so that it match together. Okay, so do, do. Sorry. Okay, you see. So you can slide from anywhere, but remember that you're supposed to press two notes. That is your second string and your first string. Okay, and you need to time it very well. So dun, dun. So the last place I played on my the do here, that is your G, your so and do. Okay, then this first finger will press on these two notes. That is your so and do, and later on the middle finger comes to play the D on the first string. So it goes like this. Okay, so okay, you see, so da 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 da. Okay, so D, so it goes, when you done playing your la, then you come and play your T, D, Re. Okay, so I play something like this. Back to my Re, Re, La, Re. So da 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 da. Okay, or some people might do it this way. Da da. Okay. Da re la do re mi fa la mi do di la so mi re, and then back to your re. Okay. Da ra so. Okay. Back to your re. Da 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 da. Yeah, can see me. So la re so, then back to your do. Okay. Mi so la mo re so ti do. Okay, ba very ma. Okay, then you continue. Okay, so when you want to start ti do, so I did something like this. Osa Okay, that is on my so. So do a sa very ma. So instead of you playing so do, I did a sa. Okay, so do so la do re so la so. Okay, do so la do re so la so. Do re mi fa la do fa re mi. Then back to my la, the same la. Do ti la, do ti la. Okay, do ti la, do ti la. Do re. Okay, re mi fa la so. So do. Okay, so if you want to play your so, do it. Okay, so I'm just showing you the bass line. I'm not playing with the song. Okay, so I did another cool groove on yeah Becca. So it goes like this. Yeah. Okay, the same to the so. Okay, so it goes do so la do re so la so. Then I come and play my fa over here and my to do la. Okay, do la. Then you slide to your do. Then you hammer on your re, back to your do. Then you hammer on your D. Then your first finger will play your la. Then you come back to your re. Okay, so okay, then you play your la. Then I played. Okay, so si la, re di. Okay. Okay, so si la re di re mi la re re. Okay, so back to your re. Mi fa so do re mi so la do di re re so. Okay, you understand? So I did something like this. Sa very ma yeah. Oh, to me so. Okay, so what I changed on my fa. So la re mi re do re ti do la. Slide to your D, re mi fa la so do. Okay, so I think this is the end of the lesson. I'll be doing more, and there are more of the worship lessons for you guys. Okay, so try and understand the groove, watch the video, that is the worship song groove I played, understand it, and learn the bass lines. Okay, you can also use this bass line out there. You just need to understand the progression and the groove. Okay, so I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye for now.